Hey guys, welcome back to Noise Fest RC. Got a short unboxing and short video to share with you for my CEN F450, that's silver, the 2022 model, according to CEN. So I decided to go ahead and add this upgrade to my truck. I have it in my other truck as well. I just figured it would be cool to have it as well on this one. So I decided to go ahead and get it. So what I have here is going to be the Rock RGB light conversion kit, the Pro model, or the Pro module. So yeah, I want to install this to the truck and get some lights going. You know what I mean? What you probably do if you have a truck like this one, you wanted to add on those RGB lights. So it's got everything, all the hardware, the lights, the actual shock towers with the new plates for the lights. It also comes with the actual module for the lights. Pretty cool. It's a complete kit. Comes with all the hardware, the lights, everything. So yeah, that's what I got going today. So let me get this all situated, guys, and I'll bring you guys back in. So stand by. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did the lights, put into the bracket. So the way you do that is you just make sure that this goes to the back or to the inward of the body. And the light kit with a connection facing the inward part of the tower. Until it sits in place. Once it sits in place, just push it back all the way. Now the connector of the wire comes to the back of the tower like this, hooks up. Pretty cool. I already did the rest of them. As you can see, they're all done. Okay. They're all fitted the same way. So there shouldn't be any issues. That's the only way it's going to go, actually. So, yep. So now I need to remove the shock towers, replace them with the new ones, which are these. So let me get that going, I'll bring you guys back in. Stay by. Okay guys, so I got the first shock tower. Basically, you put these little tabs. I don't know if you can see that. Those little tabs go into the top of the shock tower. They sit in place, just like that. And you put a 2.5 millimeter by 4 screw, which are the tiny ones. You just screw it on there without over tightening. Remember, we're putting it into plastic, so we don't want to over tighten these. Get the other one. just like that. So let me get the other ones and I'll be back. Stand by. Alright guys, so getting the wire installed, the RGB light wire. So what I had to do, I had to take this apart again, only because I can't get to the wire to connect in here. So I had to take it out and run it through here again, or run it through here, and then install it to the light. If you don't do it beforehand, you won't be able to put it in like it's supposed to. So now that's there. Now I'll go ahead and reinstall everything again. We should be good. I already have the other 3 installed. Not complicated at all. It's actually pretty straightforward. You just got to pay attention to the instructions and the orientation showed in the example and the sample instruction sheet. You got to be very detailed. Look at the pictures correctly, how they're facing up or down, facing back, facing forward, all that stuff. But overall, it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy. So now that that is done, now I can just install this back in there, and then we should be good. So let me get this done and I'll bring you guys back in. Stand by. Alright guys, so I got the light kit installed and connected. This is temporary. I'll run the wires in a minute. I just wanted to make sure it's going to work. And so it does work. I'll put it on my Fly Sky radio with a 3rd channel. As you can see, there's the red lights. Let me kill this lights off. You can see better. There you go. Red, yellow, green. This is green, the other one's lighter green. Blue, light blue, turquoise, purple, white, and off. So yeah, it does work. Looks good. So let me get everything else installed and I'll bring you guys back in. Stand by. Alright guys, there it is. All ready. Rug lights going. Cool. Let me get these other lights off. Pretty awesome. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. Anyhow guys, that's what I want to share with you. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. And I got more stuff coming for the truck. So I like how these came out. These rails. I've seen other ones 3D printed. I would like 3D printed, but if they have it in aluminum, I'd rather go with aluminum. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.